Hello everyone. From the fourth weekend of February to May 2020, the Donald Trump administration will intensively enforce the immigration crackdown on undocumented immigrations. This time, the centrally cities will be concentrated and even mobilized special force personnel. It's expected to be a very radical immigration crackdown with the introduction of specially trained agents, including sniper attacks into immigration crackdown New York, Chicago, San Francisco, Atlanta, Houston, Boston, New Orleans, including LA. Today we are going to talk about how to do with a crackdown by the ICE and what happens after arrest. I don't think many people have been outlawed in the first come to US. There are many people who came to the US as a legal person and were forced to give up their status for their own reason and are unable to return to their homeland. Although we are legal now, but I will tell you how to deal with immigration in case you get caught, because some of these stories may force you to give up your identity. If you are in trouble with the immigration crackdown, we recommend that you have prior contact information from immigration lawyers or government civic groups with extensive experience in defending against deportation. In case of immigration crackdown, when ICE agents come home, they will use inducement. For example, they are going to mention the name of the deportation person stay at home, and they want to talk for a moment, or investigating a crime or identity thief, they are asking for their cooperation. In this case, do not open the door. Keep silent without answering the agent's question. If they keep knocking on the door or causing a disturbance, ask the agent to show them their ID and warrant. Throw a crack in the door or sink in the window. Please make sure that the judge has signed the warrant and that your name and address are correct. If there is no warrant or if it is not normally issued, stop the conversation. Agent cannot enter the house without a warrant. If a warrant is issued normally, agent can enter the house legally. So the most important thing is to remain silent if they are arrested or by a transit. You are not allowed to sign any documents until you have consulted a lawyer. In addition, as long as it does not interfere with an agent's execution of official duty, the party has the right to record the progress, such as talking to the regulator, and therefore should record or record the video on the smartphone. If you have someone at home, ask for help. If there are minors at the scene at the time of arrest, explain the situation because they may not be arrested at the discretion of the agent. When an ICE agent asks for a passport or ID card, if arrested, an ICE agent will ask for a passport or your ID card. This is to expedite the deportation process, so please keep your passport or ID in a safe place with your valuables. If you lose your ID or passport, you will not be able to get it back. If you are arrested on immigration. If you are arrested, you don't go straight to the jail. You go to the Immigration and Discharge Processing Center. Then you will receive offered a chance to contact your family or lawyer within 24 hours. If you didn't get chance of call, you should ask to chance of call. After fingerprinting and identification process, they are released on condition of release or deposit of bail in accordance with the decision of the person in charge. If you come out on bail, you must appear at the court of deportation. And you may be deported or suspended through trial. In summary, the key point of immigration crackdown is to remain silent until the aid of the deportation lawyer or a government civic group. You do not answer any question from the ICE agent, and you must not sign any documents. I hope it has been of some help to those who are traveling with immigration or deportation. Thank you. Bye-bye.